Hi guys, I just updated the ISO because of the Erlang update, so you can go from my desktop, don't need you anymore. And I'm gonna build. So Alci-iso-dev means installation scripts, right mouse click, open terminal, and run number 40 or 30. But 30 means cleaning out my cache, which means more download, more bandwidth, and so on. So to spare the bandwidth, look at that. Compass XF4 panel compass is new, and all the rest is already on my machine. So if you want to build the ALCI, there's some problems. This happens to me, probably not to you. This machine is the same one as Carly, and Carly has a different sign. Though it stops, I need to run it again, and then I get the package in for make init open swap from ALCI with the correct signature, and then things go my way. So the trick is, this is the most elaborated setup you can have. On Eric, there is an ALCI local repo. You need to update that database. You need to run that. Update database. So it says if you are called Xavier, right? It's home Xavier ALCI local repo. So put it somewhere where you can find it, and this is a good name, good place to call it like that, because it's given to you. Example ALCI local repo. Control C, Control V. Put it somewhere. Of course, the example has to go. And that's it. And the only thing it has is some script. It's gonna run, and our wallpapers, not a bunch of wallpapers, lots of wallpapers, I think. No, 25 megabytes still okay. But it's an example where you are in full control. You don't need anyone. All you need, and that's of course a bummer, two bottlenecks. If ArcoLinux does not exist anymore, done. If Calamares doesn't exist anymore, yeah, the great graphical installer won't be there, and you'll have to figure out other ways, right? Maybe scripting, maybe it's other stuff. There's plenty of other stuff, but hey, that's another bottleneck. And all the rest is knowledge. So if you want to build your own Calamares, you put it in the local repo. If you have an Android Studio, if you build 10 gigabyte package of Android Studio, well, you put it on your local repo, and then you can put it on the ISO, and then you have an ISO to install with your 10 gigabyte included, right? That's how it goes. Be in control. So this is the local repo, but there is more. Actually the pacman.conf is the summary, right? Let's see if we can do a Perl. So anything from Celtic goes. You can install any of the 1,000 packages of Celtic. You can install anything from ArcoLinux. We have not opened up multilib, so you could do this as well. So any of those packages can go as well. And you can install anything from ArcoLinux, the extra large, Dropbox, InSync, Spotify, third parties things, and ArcoLinux repo things. And also the ALCI repo packages, and then the local. So whatever source you require for your building, put it in here. But the most the things you use the most are in here. There's a local one, there's an online one, there's a third-party one from somebody else, and the ArcoLinux guys. So this is it. The most complex possible setup to build your ISO, and we're doing so with 8 processes. We're building our ISO. Well, I suppose I'll better 4 minutes. I stop the video here, wait for the build, and let's boot it up. All right, guys.